Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that Microsoft is trying to push to a lot of people is to have them use a lot of the core apps that come with Windows 11. And of course, that's always been a big problem. How do you push people to use something that you've actually implemented brand new in an operating system when they never seen it before, never tried it before? It was the same problem with Windows 10. How many features people actually used? Not a lot. Honestly, people do what they want to do. They dabble with their standard little, day-to-day using my PC life. But in the end, what you find is a simple, day-to-day PC that people still use only what they want. Now, in a series of changes, when you install Windows from scratch, Microsoft is trying to push in there a set of new, like hands-on little animations, if you want, of, oh, by the way, did you know that you can do this? Did you know that in your settings you have that feature? Did you know that you can, of course, use the snipping tool? Did you know that you had a screen recorder? Did you know that? And so on. And of course, this is on a setup, a first setup of a PC, not just installing from scratch, but if you buy a new PC, you'll be apparently starting with probably 23H2, greeted to new screens of what do you want to do with your computer? And here's how we can help. The thing is, and this is my little rant at this, is that most of the apps and most of the features that Windows can offer often end up in a category of incomplete tasks. A lot of people use third-party media players. Why? Because they end up with either the Windows Media Player or whatever app they're using is not exactly complete, doesn't do everything they want. One of the the things that I find interesting is it's cool that the snipping tool gives you a screen recorder. It'd be even better if it could actually have sound with it. Why didn't they implement a screen recorder that also records audio? This could be a competition to OBS Studio, for example, that I'm using here. So it seems that every app Microsoft does to do something always ends up just short of what we want in every of the features that it offers. And I don't know why. At first you think, well, it's a work in progress. They're going to add that eventually. But you end up with, well, no, he never did. And you end up with apps that after a while they just stop tweaking, and they will stay like that, static, after forever and ever. So I don't know. I think Microsoft doesn't understand that for the most part, people have their habits, and unless you bring them a premium software that does it all, I don't think you're going to actually have these people move on to what you want to show them. And I think Microsoft just forgets that people use their PC. With what they already have, changing their habits is not really what people want. And that's why there's always a rant between new Windows versions, because the changes that it brings is always a source of problems for some. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.